Gone are those days when sari was just a tradition. Now sari has become a trend. You can see so many people flaunting their saris with crop tops, some blouses, and some accessories. I'm sure you must be guessing what I'm talking about. I'm talking about the Sari Speak meet that is happening here in Goa. So let's have a look.
As rich and vibrant as its century-old and tradition, the sari weave reflects the many hues of its birthplace. Originally woven only in the finest silks and in hues of purple. With the passage of time, Banarasi saris have come to include a larger palette of colors and are made in cotton too. Some familiar terms associated with this weave are kadur, katan and balak. Gauripriya and Savita showcasing these beautiful silk styles. Bengali weaves embody the very essence of timelessness. From the simple sangel to the exquisite jamdani, from the kantha work to the kesh saris, from the balachari silks and sublime gur, Bengal has something for everyone. Please welcome Ashwini and Seena in these gorgeous weaves. The thick cotton weave from Odisha was originally a tribal weave that has evolved to suit modern tastes. The elegant motifs are inspired by the flora, fauna and cultural symbols of the surrounding environment and the lives of the tribals. Our most loved, Vinny and Lalita, showcasing the cotton heirloom with exquisite pairings with tribal neck pieces. Priceless jewel from Maharashtra. This is a must-have in any bite with trousseau. These gorgeous silks are created in jewel tones and have a range of bird and floral motifs that are woven in silk thread on elaborate pallu and borders. Our MCs for the ceremony, Sonia and Ria, showcasing this beauty of Maharashtra. The iconic traditional weave of Goa, owned by the Kundi tribe for centuries. The weave is making a huge revival due to its tropically suited breathability and earthy simplicity. This Kundi is finding popularity with urban handloom enthusiasts. Preeta and Seema, take your back to the Goa of yore with your gorgeous Kundis. The opulence of the silk from Tamil Nadu needs no introduction. No woman considers her sari collection complete without one of these magnificent regal weaves with absolutely stunning color panels. Traditionally woven with a three-shuttle technique, thick and soft, the Kanchipuram is truly a heirloom to cherish. This splendor and elegance is showcased by Rajeshwari and Meena.
वेलकम टू एवरीबॉडी अभी तो पार्टी शुरू हुई है
Okay, so we are here to speak something about saris, and we have here two gorgeous ladies. So let's know more about sari from them. Okay, ma'am, kindly introduce yourself.
I'm Vinny Kenny. I live in Panjim.
Savita, I'm from Bombay.
Okay, so we have heard a lot about this unique concept of Sari Speak. Can you just put some highlight about the Sari Speak?
So I opened a Facebook group called Sari Speak and encouraged everybody to wear saris. I started wearing them myself. Like the sari that I'm wearing now is a handloom sari from Orissa, which Savita procured for me. And by wearing myself, I am setting an example for others to wear saris more often and choose that as the preferred attire.
In Sari Speak, as I am also a member of that group, I have seen a lot of innovations, a lot of trends that have been introduced by the group itself. It's not like designed by some of the fashion designers or something. It's all those ladies who have come up with their own trends.
So, for example, right now what I'm wearing is a odni that I liked, and I have transformed it into a dupatta because I thought that went well. And also, I try to use the clothes that I have, like short kurtis and tops to wear with sari, so that I don't wait for a excuse to not wear a sari.
Actually, finding a right material for your sari and then get it stitched from a tailor, it's a big headache. I myself I experience it a lot. Okay, along with sari and blouses, what I've noticed is the jewelry. Many things like, even the junk goes well, as I'm wearing one, and even the handmade jewelry.
I think what's interesting is that the rules that surround sari wearing and accessorizing have been broken by the sari groups. So you can mix and match. So t-shirts and shirts and crop tops make it more contemporary and modern for youngsters to wear saris. And the fact that you can accessorize an ikat with junk jewelry or a traditional sari with, maybe jewelry made out of upcycled cloth makes it very interesting because it pushes the boundaries of creativity. And I think we're sending a message out that you don't need to follow the rules of old ki. If you wore a traditional sari, you wore only traditional jewelry with it and a traditional looking blouse with it. So I think breaking the rules is important when you're trying to make something like a sari very popular, which has generally been seen as very old fashioned and not so cool to drape.
Though many fashion designers have tried revival of Kunbi, but I would say Sari Speak is one of the forum that have actually given revival to Kunbi.
You know, the Kunbi, which Sari Speak was part of, the initiative for Spurti, it was called, was revived by the Goa Home Science College. So when we opened out the initiative on another Facebook group, the natural thing was to offer it to Sari Speak because of its Goa base. And I'm really, really happy that, you know, Sari Speak participated in that initiative in such a big way that we've had close to 75, 80 saris being sent out already for Sari Speak members. So we're hoping that once it you know, people start getting it and they start wearing it, somewhere a Facebook group has contributed to reviving a market revival of a weave which belongs to Goa. And I think it also proves that groups like these are not just for flaunting and showing off, but that they're capable of doing so much more. Like today, there are saris being collected to donate to different institutions. So I think that's a great thing that a Facebook group is not just a group where women while away time, but they're doing so much more productive things by they learn about the weaves, they're contributing to a market revival, so that brings them closer to learning about a weave, and it's a treasured part of their heritage.
The only way I can give a message and set an example is by wearing it myself, and I wear it regularly. Like this year, we have told everybody that we must wear a minimum 100 saris. So we're trying to wear 2 per week.
You know, do your 24/7 jobs, ride bikes, do everything. There isn't anything you can't do.
Traveled in a sari.
Yes, absolutely.
And
The most comfortable way
people
to
are
travel.
doing yoga in a sari and riding a bike in a sari and do everything in a sari.
Let's all Sari speak. As the Sari speak today crosses 18,000.
Let's take a pause.
Yeah.
So to start off this evening, I request Priti Mahatme to say a few words.
Actually, when I see all of you, I feel like my virtual world has transcended into my real world. I also had a little bit of my celebrity moment where people were recognizing me and I wasn't. I'm sorry for that. As we all know, wearing saris for any Indian woman is not a very new thing. We have all grown up seeing our grandmothers. My grandmothers, both of them wore saris for the whole of their lives, and that too on a regular basis. My mother wore a sari till I was, on a regular basis, till I was about like 7 or 8 years old. But thereafter, I think there was some influx of Western culture, and we all realized that it's easier to just zip our jeans and go. So in the last 2-3 decades, our generation and the generations which come after us have witnessed a drop in sari wearing on a regular basis.
Before we wait for some more people and the round of what we do, I just want to ask a few people what Sari Speak has done to them, is doing to them, and whatever.
I'm Chetna Rani. I come from Sangli. Alone is to wear sari, so some feeling is to come there, and no one is there with sari alone. But now today I am very happy that everyone are so much keen in wearing sari.
I've always loved to wear sari, but I thought saris are all like expensive saris and only silk saris were that's what I knew about. But after being a member of this Sari Speak, I came to know there are so many ways, and I really appreciate all the ladies who just flaunt their saris, and I'm enjoying every now and then.
Hello, good evening everybody. My Sari Sakhis. I'll only say that Sari Speaks has brought a change not only in me but even on my husband. In last 35 years of married life, he got me a sari all the way from Orissa. Thank you, Sari
Sari Speak has got a lot of tips with me because actually I am a sari wearer, but I wasn't wearing saris for a long time. And seeing Vinny wearing saris and looking so beautiful inspired me also to start wearing saris again.
My name is Archana Shah and this is we are Ujju friends. So we Kitty also we started to wear saris and we inspire lot. Hi, before I start I want to ask everybody to please give Vinny a very big hand, a round really loud round of applause because thanks to her we are here today. And when I walked in I wished her, I'm sure in the near future she's going to not get a national award but an international award.
I would like to just tell you about this sari, what Sari Speak has changed. This is, it's a part of my wedding trousseau 25 years back. And I had just given this away to somebody. Then I realized, what I'm doing. Then I just gave it a facelift. I made these tassels, got these tassels done, I made the nice blouse, and now it has a change. Because I felt that sari makes it look old and it gives an age factor to you. But today, for my work, I wear sari very often. And I send pictures to my mom and my mom loves it. And it has been all possible because she has taken it so well.
A lot of exciting stuff still coming up. There is food to eat, which is always nice. And there's the photo booth, which many of you have already clicked, and those who haven't, please enjoy yourself there. But before that, some few spot questions. A lot of us on Sari Speak say, I was so anxious to put up this sari, I didn't wait for a sari to have a fall or a pinning. First they need to come up here in a sari without a fall. You have to raise your leg and show me the no fall. But you show all of them, huh? Oh, so you guys have to decide who's the first thing. But no, show us the no fall. Yeah, okay. Good enough, everyone. Now, no Gagara. Who said that? That must be the you want. I think you want a prize. So who was the first? I don't know who was the first. Both of you are first. These very pretty neck pieces have been done by Archana. A lot of this has been done by Archana actually. Neck pieces specifically have been done by. The first lady to come here without a single sari pin. No sari pin. No sari pin at all. Then how do you drape?
I just generally I put a pin on top here, but today I'm wearing a velvet blouse and I didn't want to do it anymore.
I think we should give you a pin as a gift because I have lot penny on my body today. Thank you. Okay, here's one more. The first lady who comes here without the sari with no borders, just a plain sari. Is that not a border? It's a border, no? No border. No, but that's a border. We pass this off as a border. Yes. It is a border. It is not a border. I'm not the expert. It's a border. It's woven. Okay, my neck pieces are running out faster. Wait, you'll get one, ma'am. Okay, now some of the things that I've learned on Sari Speak, It's a good way to flaunt when you meet non-sari speak members, and you try to entice them into the group. So you say, today I wore a sari with the Ganga Jamuna border. So the first lady to come here in the Ganga Jamuna border. Is she the only lady in the Ganga Jamuna border and nobody else wants to run around here? No, but you're the first and you were the second, so both of you will get it. A lot of views, a lot of prints. So this next one goes to any lady who comes here first with some sort of an animal print on their sari. Animal print. Animal, not birds, not birds. Animal. 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 You already got one. So you stand here and give it to the next person. Animal print. A lot of saring is a lot of accessories. So the first lady to come here with, what shall we say, with the longest neck, with the longest earpiece, longest, biggest. Which is the longest? This is the longest. Oh, this is very nice. She came from this side, this thing, the longest, and you came from that side. So I want somebody in the center now. Imagine the high. No more. Come for the next round. Okay. Thank you. Hot. Sexy. Backless blouse. No. Nobody. It is back. We will show you. Backless, both are backless, and so do you. A lady who comes here with the sari with the maximum types of embroidery. I'm not saying maximum quote, I'm saying maximum types of embroidery.
I have Resham, Kardana and Pearl embroidered tassel.
I want different types of embroidery.
Kita work which is done here. This is gold zardozi and these are stones done in that, and then beads also.
A lady with sindoor in her hair. Sindoor. A lady with flowers in her hair. Real flowers, natural flowers. You can come and show us your flowers, but you'll get nothing.
That's fine.
Real flowers. Yes. Yes. Thank you. Okay, a lady having a maximum number of toe rings. 2 toe rings. The longest necklace, please. That is also a necklace to add to your collection. The first lady to come with all white or maximum white, as much white. Yeah, ma'am. Okay, highest pair of heels. Who do you think? Next sari gets it. Okay. The biggest or the most unique bindi. The most unusual drape today.
I must say that I don't live here, I live in Sydney, and thanks to Vimi, I am a member of Sari Speak, because my sister-in-law lives in Goa. And when I landed 2 days ago, she said, Poonam, you're in Goa, you have to attend this event. And I said, of course. I'm so happy to be here. And when I was dressing up, I thought, alright, I didn't bring a sari from Sydney here, what do I do? So, obviously borrowing from my sister-in-law, and she suggested, wear something different today. So, it's just a loop, instead of Gujarati style, it's just on my neck, and that's the only difference.
My name is Sanita. Actually, this is a cotton sari, but I wore with a tunic top. That's only unusual.
I'm wearing a 3-piece sari. It's from Assam. It's called Mekhla Chadar. This is the lower part is called Mekhla, and this is a separate piece called Chadar.
Okay, I want the first pair of ladies here who will come in twinning views, same type of saris. Come on, I want lot more ladies here.
I'm in a linen with a hand embroidery from Jaipur.
I'm too in a linen with the silver zari.
So we both are wearing chiffon.
We both have embroidery done.
I'm Sheetal and Rashna. We both are in Maheshwari from Indore.
I would have loved to give you saris, but you'll have to buy them yourself or get the husband to do it. You got one? To the lady with the maximum number of ear piercings. She has 3. We have 3. 6. My. You will tell us a story about the ear piercings. Nothing at all. We give you a chocolate, I think. This is one more. Maximum number of finger rings. Okay, the most fancy hairstyle today. Hairdo, hairstyle. Applause. Silver clothespin. No one else? Okay. Thank you. The first lady to come here in spectacles. All of you should be here. They say that, they used to say, I think, guys don't make passes at girls wearing glasses, but it isn't true at all. The first lady to come here with a brooch. This is some of the good things about Sari Speak. She was my teacher when I was in 4th standard. So I must have been, 4th standard means I didn't flunk any year, okay? So I must have been, she was just 10 years elder to me because she was only 19 and we met in Sari Speak. Any lady here who has musical instruments on her sari, a print of musical instruments? You do? Lovely. Come here. Modeling for us like we did. Look at the last 2 prizes in the house. For anyone coming here with a Mantika, Bhangtiro, I've seen a lot of ladies here wearing a challa. But this prize goes to anybody who's wearing an armlet. Yay! See, you get a chance to come up again. This is the last prize, and this is one where I'm sure there'll be many people coming here forward. The maximum number of bangles. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 18. Okay, 18. 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 24. Thank you. So we have come to the end of what I call the formal part of this program. We will go back with many memories, many friends. We now have a face to a lot of the names that we have seen on the group. Can I please have Savita here, please? The best dressed, or most unusual dressed, or best dressed for this evening. Savita, who would you suggest?
One is Anisha, and the other would be Poonam Vahan.
And this is to you, from all of us.
Thank you everybody for embracing saris, and thank you for being warm and appreciative of everybody else on Sari Speak, and thank you for coming here.
Sari Speak, which was just a page, a Facebook page, has gained so much of popularity in these days. We just witnessed the event here in Goa, and they are planning to have many such kind. So till then, stay tuned to Sari Speak and keep watching Prudent.